Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in a monthly chart. So why I am starting to analyze the gold futures in the monthly chart, because here you can see that since September 2011 the gold futures have maintained a move amid a golden saucer where the gold futures have tested the levels of $1981, because here I find that now this saucer has been filled completely and even the gold futures have been flowing above the surface tension here, because here I find that above the levels of $1947 the gold futures are currently flowing above the surface tension where it may throw gold futures out of this golden saucer where I can see a meltdown in gold futures back up to the levels of $1794 during the upcoming month. So friends, here I find that a downward move of gold futures below the levels of 1909 will confirm the continuity of a meltdown in gold futures where we may find the gold futures to test the levels of $1818 during the month of August, because here I find that the gold futures may try to defend this immediate support of $1947 during the upcoming week. But if this immediate support is broken, we will see a sharp sell-off in gold futures where the gold futures will find their immediate support at the levels of $1919, but a sustainable move below the levels of $1919 could push the gold futures up to the levels of $1859 during the upcoming week, because here in a monthly chart you can see the current position of moving averages look evident enough for an uptrend in gold futures. But here I find that the surface tension of this golden saucer may throw the gold futures more downward back up to these levels during the upcoming weeks. So now let us check this move in a daily time frame. So in a daily time frame, here you can see that the gold futures have been constantly facing stiff resistance at the levels of $1973. Here you can see that the exhaustion seen on last Friday in gold futures, when the gold futures closed the week at the levels of $1962, looks evident enough for a downward move in gold futures. Here I find that a sustained move below the levels of $1949 could result in a heavy sell-off in gold futures, when the gold futures may find their immediate support at the levels of $1919. But here I find if the gold futures are not able to defend this immediate support, we'll see the gold futures to test the lows of $1909 during the upcoming week, because here I find that the gold futures look ready to see heavy volatility during the upcoming week, because here I find that a sustained move below the levels of $1895 could result in a steep downward move in gold futures up to the levels of $1858 during the upcoming weeks. So friends, now let us check this move in an hourly time frame, because in an hourly time frame here you can see that the 20 days exponential moving average is currently below the 20 days moving average, and 50 days exponential moving average is just little above the 50 days moving average. So all these moving averages are giving a mixed signal. Here I find that this formation of a bullish hammer in an hourly time frame may result in an upward move in gold futures once again, where the immediate resistance will be at the levels of $1973, but a breakout above the levels of $1973 may push the gold futures up to the levels of $1980, from where we may see a heavy sell-off in gold futures, where the gold futures may find a downward move up to the levels of $1952. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures during the upcoming week, where the gold futures may find a strong support at the levels of $1947. So friends, Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.